queues outside restaurants, crowded subway cars, and humming machines in factories and on construction sites. The Chinese economy is rapidly rebounding from the impact of the epidemic and has gotten off to a good start in 2023. During the week-long Spring Festival holiday, sales revenues of China's consumption-related sectors rose 12.2% from the same holiday period in 2022. At the same time, China's manufacturing sector regained expansion in January after 3 consecutive months of shrinkage, with major sub-indices posing surges. What makes the Chinese economy so resilient? Experts based in various countries have shared their thoughts, with many seeking answers from a report delivered at a milestone Congress of the Communist Party of China last October, which laid out China's future development goals.
One factor to consider that the rebound is a bit different. It will be more consumption-driven, relatively speaking.
A lot of money we expect this year and next year will be reinvested in lifestyle, into discretionary consumerism, into upgrading their house, travel, invest in new business.
I think for a year or two, I actually see this, consumption-led growth is going to give dividends to China. In a time when the rest of the world is speaking about recession, about revival, about contraction, China's focus on actually, spurring up domestic demand and increasing its GDP growth is very heartening to see.
China prioritizes a high quality of development and invests more in high-tech and new energy industries. These are the right steps to transform Chinese economy from a middle-income level to a high-income level.
If you think of renewable energy generation, and I think China, with its strong push towards carbon neutrality and a large domestic market, should have a natural advantage there.
Now, one of the interesting parts in the 20th National Congress is the emphasis on technology development and adoption to a digital economy. Now, China is already quite well in terms of digital transactions, mobile phone access, also the connectivity to rural areas. China would like to strengthen its own technological base and try and make it more people-centric to make lives of people easier.
There is a major drive by the Chinese government to rebalance the economy so that the eastern and the coastal sides, which have seem to have enjoyed the majority of the economic growth in China, now the government would like to see the other sections that have not been enjoying as much economic growth enjoy the same level of economic prosperity as the rest of the country.
لها قدرة كبيرة على توفير كافة متطلبات واحتياجات كافة دول العالم. بتحظى بكمية كبيرة جدا وحجم كبير جدا من سلاسل التوريد والإمداد. نمو الاقتصاد الصيني هو بيمثل نمو بالتبعية للاقتصاد العالمي، لأن الاقتصاد الصيني هو اقتصاد مؤثر وبيساهم بنسبة كبيرة في مدخلات الإنتاج وفي توفير السلع الأساسية ومتطلبات ومستلزمات الإنتاج لكافة دول العالم. الصين بتساهم بصورة كبيرة في حجم التجارة العالمية. وجود سياسات تتعلق بتطوير الاقتصاد، سياسات تتعلق بحماية حقوق المستثمرين والحفاظ على حقوقهم داخل الدولة. دي نقطة مهمة جدا يمكن بتحفز المزيد من الاستثمارات للصين في ظل وجود العديد من القطاعات الجاذبة للعمل والاستثمار فيها من ناحية، وأيضا بتحظى بثقة المؤسسات الدولية والبنوك الدولية اللي بدأت هي الأخرى بتحرص على الدخول إلى السوق الصيني.
Recently driven China-led initiatives such as the Belt Road Initiative and the RCEP in East Asia will have positive impetus in 2023 thanks to Chinese strong economic performance.
Experts also say that the expected rebound of China's economy this year is also the result of people-centric policies of the Chinese government.
Yani Çin Komünist Partisi'nin hedeflerinin tuttuğunu gösteriyor.
We have seen global growth where people have seen huge multinationals and industrial houses emerging, but inequality has risen. Now China in a way has challenged that system and offering that, China's growth will be more equitable and people-centric, and the quality of life will improve through modernization.